Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, you will learn about the use of break command in AutoCAD. So, let us begin. First, make a rectangle and place it on the drawing. Then, simply type BR to activate the break command in AutoCAD. Now, select the 2 points to split the line. If you complete your first task, then for more practice, again do the use of break command on second line. Now, select another 2 points on the second line and split it. Similarly, to repeat the break command on over the third and fourth line to become an expert. Congratulations, you did it. I hope you liked this video and do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks.